Tonight's 7 Action News, getting results for Taylor mom, who had been fighting for justice for the death of her son for more than a year until we got involved. We sat down with Misty Brown back in September. She poured out her heart to us after suffering from unending heartache, after she lost not one, but 2 sons to tragic accidents. One killed by a stray bullet and the other in a wrong-way driver crash. We helped her get answers, at least for one of them, when it seemed all hope was lost.
More than a year ago August, a heart-piercing tragedy. Misty Brown, a healthcare hero who delivers joy to patients, could only feel sorrow. She lost her 27-year-old son, Gregory Dew. He was killed in a violent car crash by a wrong-way driver, burned beyond recognition.
People were trying to get him out to save him when the fire was small, and no one could get him out.
We first spoke to Misty in September. Misty could not understand why the person who slammed into her son at 2 a.m. on the freeway, going in the wrong direction, was not being held responsible. After some digging and phone calls to the Wayne County Prosecutor's Office and the Michigan State Police, we learned a mislabeled arrest warrant with the Michigan State Trooper's name listed instead of the name of Misty's son was the cause for delay.
Please help me get justice for my son.
That justice she pleaded for delivered in part last week. 21-year-old Michael Dwayne Gordon of Detroit was arrested and charged with reckless driving causing death, a 15-year felony if convicted, and 1 count of a moving violation causing death, a 1-year misdemeanor.
I was, happy. I was relieved. I was still somewhat angry, especially when I heard the 2 charges.
Is that not enough?
That's not enough for me.
Here's why. Misty sent me this traffic report. It shows alcohol was suspected and that drug and alcohol testing were pending. Yet according to Misty, she was told by the prosecutor's office,
Well, they believe that alcohol and or drugs did play a role, but they don't have any evidence of that due to the blood transfusion.
I reached out to the prosecutor's office. They responded with this quote, "We have charged based upon the facts, evidence, and law in the case. The evidence in the case will come out in court," end quote.
This was a horrific crash. How can that not have been important enough to test?
Misty says while a life sentence would not take her pain away or bring back her son, knowing Gordon could spend 15 years behind bars if convicted,
at least I would have some closure. At least I would have that. Just knowing that he didn't get off.
Gordon will be back in court for a probable cause hearing on December 2nd, but tonight he remains locked up. Misty says she hopes her struggles will give families who face a similar tragedy will have the will to fight for justice in their cases as well.